Hi, I'm Dan with Honeymooners Off-Road Adventures, and today we're going to talk about our Wii Boost system that we have installed in our Jeep. Because we're full-time travelers and work part-time remotely, we need to make sure that we have good signal and being out in the back country. So we bought the Wii Boost X OTR version. When we purchased it, it was about $400 off of Amazon. Now I think it's a year later, so it's running about $450 to $480. Is where I see it in there. There's also a second generation out now too, where it's about $520. So with this video, I'm going to show you how I have it installed in the Jeep, and also I'm going to show you some metering with it on and with it off. The big thing to remember is that you do need some sort of cell signal to boost, and that's where some people get confused with the Wii Boost. We're from Montana, which doesn't have great coverage. However, this is night and day difference. We've actually gotten coverage in places we've never had anything. So it's like with our phone, when you kick it on, it'll say the little 4G, but you won't have any bars. That means there's actually still signal there. And so when we flip Wii Boost on, we'll get like 2 or 3 bars out of it, and we're able to do our texting and calling and even do our streaming remote work kind of stuff that we have to do. So down in the description below, I'll leave you my Amazon affiliate link. What that will do is that it'll take you to your Amazon account and pull up the item for you to put in the cart, and just makes it nice and easy, convenient that way for you. So I'll take you a little tour through the Jeep and how I have it installed, and we'll talk a little bit more about this. So here's the Wii Boost booster itself, and you can see there's the cord that comes out of the top. That goes up to the front dash where there's a transmitter up there. And then down below it you can see that there's 2 cords. One's the power cord, which I have going up to a switch up on the dash there, so I can turn it on or turn it off. And then that's wired directly to the battery so that the vehicle can be off and I can have that on if we want. And then that other cable you see on the bottom there goes up to the antenna on the roof there, which I'll show you also. So this little piece right down here I have stuck to the dash. That's the transmitter that actually boosts the signal within the cab of the Jeep. They say that it's good for, roughly 3 feet. It'll, so that's why I have it up on the dash, because usually we have 2 phone mounts up on the dash. That's where our phones are at. However, I've gotten out and walked out and around the Jeep, and it still does a pretty decent job. I've walked about 10 feet away from the Jeep and still got pretty good signal. So this here is the antenna on it. It comes with 3 links on it. I'm currently running 2 out of the 3 links. You definitely want it to be the highest point on your vehicle and not obstructing that very top portion up there. And then as far as the base of it, it's very similar to like a CB mount. I just got a hole that actually was in the roof rack, and I put it through there, but even just a basic CB mount bracket will work for you. Okay, here we are with a Wii Boost demonstration of showing the difference. This is currently without the Wii Boost. The big thing with Wii Boost, of course, is that you do have to have some signal for it to boost. So I'm going to flip it on and give it a few seconds here. Boom. There you go. That's the difference there on that. And if you want to go ahead and switch it to the upload, download thing. Yeah, go ahead and do that. So here's with it boosted.
It does always take a second to start the test, by the way.
Well, it's already going. See this ping in it and the jitter. So we're currently running about 1.3 with the Wii Boost on. 1.2. Okay, now we're going to turn off.
It wasn't done.
Oh, there you go. So there's the final results. Okay. Now we're going to do the test with the Wii Boost off. Notice the ping and the jitter on there. That's why we're not really getting too much, because that ping rate is really high, but you want a low ping rate. So we're looking at 0.3 megabytes versus 1.3, 1.2.
Well, finally got the download test. Now it's doing the upload test.
It's like, what upload? I mean, with that ping rate so high and the jitter so high, I don't think it's gonna do much. I mean, it's trying. Oh, there you go. Look at that. 38K bauds.
So that's without the Wii Boost, right?
That's
there?
without the Wii Boost. So now that I've showed you everything on there, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to help us out a little bit. And also, as a recap, there in the description below, I do have my Amazon affiliate link that will take you directly to that product on your Amazon account page. Thank you for joining us.